Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to provide you with the amazing health benefits of ABC Juice. Rest assured, we'll also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Do you ever find yourself wondering how to make your post-workout recipes easier and healthier? Worry not, because making ABC Juice, a vibrant combination of apples, beets, and carrots, is literally as simple as ABC. Since this amazing detoxifying drink is packed with essential nutrients and a plethora of other vitamins, it benefits your body in more ways than you think. So if you want to know exactly what type of health benefits ABC Juice has to offer, be sure to stick around and let our team of experts break it all down for you. ABC Juice boosts your immunity. ABC Juice has a storehouse of essential nutrients and antioxidants, allowing you to strengthen your immunity. This boosts the production of white blood cells, which, as we all know, fight infection and other diseases. ABC Juice gives you your complete daily dose of nutrients. It goes without saying that it's essential for us to meet our daily nutritional requirements. With ABC Juice, your body will get the complete package of vitamins and minerals to meet that requirement. This provides energy, contributes to body structure, and regulates chemical processes in the body. ABC Juice benefits your skin. By getting rid of toxins and dirt in the body, the juice restores your natural complexion and gives your skin a great glow as well as an all-natural blush. ABC Juice slows down signs of aging. Using all-natural remedies containing vitamin C, K, A, B-complex, and E, ABC Juice makes your skin look younger and tighter. ABC Juice benefits your hair. With ABC Juice containing rich amounts of iron, electrolytes, and potassium, it makes your hair healthier, which results in shiny and strong tresses. ABC Juice is great for weight loss. ABC Juice supports weight loss and is vouched for by a number of dietitians. To support this claim, ABC Juice helps you feel full for a few hours because of its high fiber properties while providing you with low calories. ABC Juice promotes enhanced digestion. The juice provides you with good gut health. It contains phytonutrients and fiber that help relieve constipation while speeding up the digestion process. ABC Juice is a healthy beverage to take in the morning before starting your day. ABC Juice benefits your heart by keeping your cholesterol levels in check while being able to regulate your blood pressure. This makes the juice good for your heart overall. ABC Juice strengthens eye muscles. Vitamins A, C, and E are well known to keep your eyes healthy and improve vision. Since ABC Juice contains all three, this makes it the ideal choice for individuals who spend long hours on their laptop, phone, or computer monitor. By adding ABC Juice to your diet, you can keep your vision from significantly getting worse. ABC Juice helps destroy cancer cells. Nutrients such as iron, vitamin C, and a flavonoid called beta-azane can dramatically slow the development of malignant cancer cells and tumors. Beetroot, one of the components of ABC Juice, has all these nutrients and many more. ABC Juice is great for pregnant women. During pregnancy, women commonly experience discomfort such as irregular bowel movements, muscle aches, and weight issues, to name a few. However, by drinking ABC Juice during pregnancy, you'll be able to keep your gut healthy while getting relief from muscle aches. This is possible due to ABC Juice giving your body a dose of nutrients such as zinc, potassium, and more. ABC Juice can potentially get rid of bad breath. ABC Juice has a nutrient-rich blend that promotes healthy body function and soothes stomach upset. Keep in mind that indigestion is often the root cause of bad breath. ABC Juice can deeply clean your vital organs. Its powerful mixture helps your body get rid of toxins and makes more red blood cells, which cleans your vital organs very deeply. ABC Juice relieves muscle aches. With ABC Juice containing beetroot, which contains nitric oxide, it is able to speed up the recovery of inflammation in the muscles. This makes it the ideal choice for athletes who need muscle recovery after a rigorous workout session. ABC Juice relieves menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps can be relieved by eating foods rich in manganese, vitamin E, and fiber. Since ABC Juice contains all these nutrients, it makes for a brilliant home remedy for menstrual cramps. Now that you know the remarkable health benefits of ABC Juice, there's no better time to start your hearty diet than now. However, you won't be able to whip up this nutritious drink without the right tools. To sort this out, we'll be showcasing 3 of our most recommended products so that you can get your ABC Juice diet program going right away. Our first recommendation is the Brieftons glass water bottles. These 18-ounce bottles come in a set of 6 and are suitable for both warm and cold liquids. While they look great on your table or fridge, they're also functional, odor-free, chemical-free, and 100% food-safe. The bottles feature a wide mouth that allows everything from an easy filling to effortless cleanup. They're made from ultra-clear soda lime glass, which makes them non-permeable, has a low expansion rate, and is highly resistant to impact. Each lid is constructed with an outer 201 grade stainless steel layer and an inner food-safe plastic layer. The caps are also lined with a silicone O-ring, keeping their contents sealed to prevent a leaky mess no matter where you'll be placing them. Included in the set is a long cleaning brush for easy hand washing, as well as 2 exclusive juicing recipe ebooks to get you started. Because of their versatility, they can be used for a wide variety of purposes, including but not limited to glass juice bottles, juice containers, beverage containers, fermentation jars, kefir starter kits, drinking jugs, and glass drinking bottles. As for the size, each bottle measures 8.7 inches in height, 2.6 inches in width, and 0.16 inches in thickness, making them fit most cup holders. We'll go on to our next topic, the Breville Juicer. This centrifugal juicer by Breville features a 35.2 fluid ounce juice jug and a 2.6 quart pulp container. The unit boasts a unique extraction system with its titanium reinforced disc and Italian-made micromesh filter basket made from stainless steel. Together, they allow for optimum juice and nutrient extraction. A built-in froth separator allows you to pour more juice and less froth into the glass. You can wrap the juicer's power cord around its feet under the base for easy storage, while the pulp container is easily detachable. We'd also like to highlight its dual speed control, which allows you to use the lower speed for softer fruits and vegetables, and the high speed for denser and harder ingredients. With its wide 3-inch feeder chute, you should be able to produce 8 ounces of juice in just 5 seconds. In terms of safety, the unit features a safety locking arm and an overload protection LED. It's also worth noting that the set includes dishwasher-safe parts such as its own 1-liter juice jug with a food separator, filter basket, and cleaning brush. As for the size, the unit measures 13.2 by 16.5 by 18.2 inches and weighs 9.9 pounds. Our third recommendation is the Vitamix Blender. The Vitamix Blender has a capacity of 48 fluid ounces, making it a perfect choice for blending medium batches for small family meals. It features cutting blades measuring 3 inches in diameter to deliver a consistent blend every time. These blades are laser cut and made from hardened stainless steel, which makes them robust enough to handle the toughest ingredients. The unit also has 10-speed settings as well as a pulse control, allowing you to adjust its speed to your preference. For enhanced longevity, it is worth noting that the blender is designed with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, which ensures that the unit is performing at its optimal level. Our team would also like to highlight how easy it is to clean. Simply put in a drop of dish soap and warm water, and the Vitamix will be able to clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. You won't even have to disassemble the unit. The tamper is another ingenious addition to the blender, as it facilitates the blending of even the thickest and stubborn materials. This way, you won't have to turn on the machine to scrape its walls. Best of all, it is an excellent alternative to using the stovetop for preparing hot soup because of the device's blade friction heating feature, which, when activated, operates the unit fast enough to produce friction heat, turning cold ingredients into scalding hot ones in only 6 minutes. As for the size, the unit measures 11 by 8 by 18 inches and weighs 11.50 pounds. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen team's breakdown of the amazing health benefits of ABC Juice. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to look them over for our next episode. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.